Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your BECU bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your BECU online bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address becu.org and enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of BECU. So let's wait for it guys over here. And over here guys, on the home page of BECU, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. In order to log into our account, let's click on that button. And over here guys, we are on the login panel of BECU, where we'll be required to enter our user ID with which we had signed up for a BECU account, and then enter our password. But guys, if you have forgotten your password or your user ID, you can always reset it or retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your password or forgot your user ID. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a page or a procedure where you'll be able to reset your password or retrieve your user ID depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your BECU account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your BECU bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.